Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding Surds worksheets. So this video gives a single worksheet with 10 questions on it, and basically we're asked to simplify each of these examples. So simplify each of the following by adding like terms. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So we've actually had a lesson on this very topic. So I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which has all the answers. And also, it goes without saying that you can pause this slide for as long as you like until you finish all the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here are the answers for these 10 examples. I'll leave that on for about a minute or so before we move on to the next slide. So you can pause this for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is.